12 public sector banks of India. First one, State Bank of India, established in 1955. Its headquarters is in Mumbai, India. Second one, Punjab National Bank, established in 1908. Its headquarters is in New Delhi, India. Third one, Bank of Baroda, established in 1908. Its headquarters is in Gujarat, India. Fourth one, Canara Bank, established in 1906. Its headquarters is in Bangalore, India. Union Bank of India, established in 1919, its headquarters is in Mumbai, India. Bank of India, established in 1906, its headquarters is in Mumbai, India. Indian Bank, established in 1907, its headquarters is in Chennai, India. Central Bank of India, established in 1911, its headquarters is in Mumbai, India. Indian Overseas Bank, established in 1937, its headquarters is in Chennai, India. United Commercial Bank, established in 1943,